Dallas homeowners know how intense Texas summers can be. With months of scorching temperatures, strong sunlight, and heavy UV exposure, choosing the right patio doors is essential, not just for style and convenience, but also for long-term durability. The wrong door material can warp, fade, crack, or lose efficiency under extreme heat. But the right one will stand strong, look beautiful, and help keep your home cool all year long. If you're upgrading or replacing your patio doors, here are the most durable materials for Dallas's hot, sun-filled climate. Vinyl patio doors, a top performer in hot weather. Vinyl patio doors are one of the best choices for Dallas homes thanks to their superior heat resistance and low maintenance requirements. Unlike wood, vinyl doesn't warp, peel, or rot, even in prolonged high temperatures. Why Dallas homeowners love vinyl? Excellent insulation to help keep cooling costs down. UV-resistant construction prevents fading and discoloration. Budget-friendly compared to other materials. Low maintenance. No painting or sealing required. Resistant to expanding and contracting during temperature swings. Vinyl remains stable even on the hottest days, making it one of the most reliable and cost-effective patio door materials for Dallas's climate. Fiberglass patio doors. Designed for extreme heat, fiberglass is known for its incredible strength and durability. It performs exceptionally well in regions with high temperatures because it does not expand, contract, or weaken under heat stress. For Dallas homeowners who want long-lasting performance, fiberglass is one of the best investments. Key benefits of fiberglass doors. Highly resistant to warping and cracking. Excellent insulation to maintain indoor comfort. Mimics the look of real wood without the vulnerability. High UV resistance. Ideal for homes with sun-facing patios. Minimal maintenance over the years. Although fiberglass patio doors tend to cost more upfront, their durability and long lifespan make them a smart choice for Dallas homes. Aluminum patio doors. Strong, sleek, and heat-friendly aluminum patio doors have come a long way thanks to modern thermal break technology. They're lightweight yet extremely strong, making them perfect for large sliding or bifold patio door systems. Advantages for Dallas homeowners. High heat resistance compared to wood. Slim frames for bigger glass panels and unobstructed views. Corrosion-resistant finishes. Long-lasting structural integrity. Great for modern and contemporary homes. Today's aluminum doors include thermal breaks that significantly improve insulation, helping Dallas homeowners maintain better indoor comfort and energy efficiency. Composite patio doors. Built for Texas conditions, composite doors are made from a blend of materials such as wood fibers, plastics, and resins. This combination makes them incredibly strong and resistant to weather-related wear, perfect for the harsh Texas heat. Why composite works in Dallas. Won't warp, swell, or split in extreme temperatures. Resists fading caused by direct sunlight. High insulation value, helping reduce cooling costs. Low maintenance and extremely durable. Can replicate the appearance of wood with superior performance. If you want the look of wood without worrying about heat damage, composite patio doors are an excellent choice. Why wood isn't ideal for Dallas heat. While wood patio doors are beautiful, they require heavy maintenance in Dallas's climate. The combination of high heat, humidity, and UV exposure can cause wood to warp, rot, or fade quickly. Frequent sealing and refinishing are necessary to keep them looking good, and even then, they may not last as long as other materials. Because of this, many Dallas homeowners choose heat-resistant alternatives like fiberglass, vinyl, or composite. A smart, durable upgrade for Dallas homes. Choosing the right patio door material is essential when you live in Dallas's hot climate. Vinyl, fiberglass, aluminum, and composite doors offer superior resistance to heat, UV rays, and weathering, ensuring long-lasting performance and improved energy efficiency. If you want a patio door that keeps your home cool, boosts curb appeal, and withstands Texas summers for years to come, upgrading to one of these durable materials is the perfect solution.